On.
Oh, ha, you caught me. So the first thing we want to do in any wood stove installation, and this includes those of you who are doing it at home, any stove, anywhere on a boat, motorhome, or on a really cool bus. First thing you want to do is get the stove set where it's going to be. And if you're doing this as a job for somebody else, make sure the lady is watching all this stuff because she's the one that's going to like the way it looks. Okay, so we get the stove centered on the floor here, and we want to bring the pipe up, loosely fit, not yet nothing nailed down. We want to get this thing so it's looking really good. And really, the trick is, ask Mama what she thinks. When you've moved it around to the point she says, that's where I want it, make a mark on the floor as to where the base is, mark the joints as to where they belong, and you're easily to put it back together because there's still some stuff we got to do on the floor. Before we move any further, I want to show you all something. This is what we call PVP pipe.
Back up. There we go. Okay.
Duravent.
Yep.
6-inch length. They come in all kind of lengths. And what you'll see is PVP, Pellet Vent Pro. And that's the type of the pipe that we're using. Now, inside... Oh, you can't really probably read it.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, inside this pipe, there's a little groove right here. Okay? On the T section, there was more material here. However, as you see here, it's two parts. I first cut the back, or the outside layer off. I cut off about probably 2 inches. And then I cut enough of the inside layer to get rid of this groove. We don't need it for a wood stove. And then this thing will slide on. And I will tell you, once you've cut this, it's a little out of round. So you have to start feeding it on there and swivel, swivel, swivel. It will pop on. It takes a little doing. Don't get frustrated. Just play with it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pop. It'll go. So from here, what we're going to do, we're going to go up top and see what it takes to make this thing waterproof. And we're going to mark out where our cuts are. We will be dropping an air pipe through the floor. And yeah, thank you.